Sairam children, today we are going to do lesson number 3, My Body Needs Food revision. Children, tell me why we need to eat food? Yes, our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. Why do we need to eat different types of food? We need to eat different kinds of food to stay healthy. In this lesson, teacher had taught you different kinds of foods. We get food from animals and plants. Vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, brinjals, chilies, beans, and fruits like apples, bananas, grapes, mangoes, etc. we get from plants. We also get grains and pulses from plants. Rice and wheat are grains. Different types of dals are known as pulses. We get food from animals too. Milk, butter, cheese, curd, ghee, eggs and meat are animal products. Different kinds of food help us in different ways. Some food gives us energy. They are energy giving food. Some foods make our body strong and help us to grow. They are body building food. Some foods protect us from diseases. They are protective foods. We should eat a balanced meal to stay healthy and strong. Some people eat only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables. They are called as vegetarians. Some people eat milk products, grains, fruits, vegetables, eggs and meat. They are called non-vegetarians. Okay children, now let us do some exercise. Choose the correct answer from the bracket. For each question, there are 3 options. From these 3 options, you have to select the correct one. Okay, children? Please listen carefully. Question number 1. What should we eat to stay strong and healthy? What should we eat to stay strong and healthy? Options are chocolates, balanced meals, ice cream. Tell me children, which is the correct answer? Yes, we should eat a balanced meals to stay healthy and strong. So the correct answer is balanced meals. Teacher is going to put a tick for the correct answer. So the answer for the first question, what should we eat to stay strong and healthy, is balanced meals. Okay children, now we will go for the second one. Name a fruit that shares its name with a color. Name a fruit that shares its name with a color. Options are apple, orange, grapes. All of you know this answer, na? Yes, it is orange. One fruit name is orange and one color name is also orange. So the correct answer is orange. Now the third one. What are different kinds of dal known as? Different kinds of dal. Options are grains, pulses, fruits. We get grains and pulses from plants. Wheat and rice are grains. So, dal, yes, it is a pulse. Dal, all dals are pulses. The correct answer is pulses. What are different kinds of dal known as? It is pulses. Number 4. What kind of food are eggs, meat and fish? What kind of food are eggs, meat and fish? We get this food from plants or animals. Yes, we get this food from animals. So, it is a non-vegetarian food. The correct answer is non-vegetarian. Next. Which animal product do we get from cow, goat and buffalo? Which animal product do we get from cow, goat and buffalo? Options are milk, fish, eggs. Fish and eggs? No. Then milk. We get milk from cow, goat and buffalo. The correct answer is milk. Number 6. What does duck and hen give us? What does duck and hen give us? Options are eggs, milk, cheese. All of you know this answer. What does duck and hen give us? Milk? No. Cheese? No. Then eggs. Yes, eggs. Correct answer is eggs. Number 7. How many groups of food are there in a balanced meal? Options are 3, 5, 2. Teacher told you we should eat a balanced meals to stay healthy and strong. Balanced meals means it has all 3 type of food items like energy giving food, protective food and body building food. So there are 3 types of or 3 groups of food are there in balanced meal. So the correct answer is 3. Number 8. From where do we get grains and pulses? We get food from animals and plants. From plants we get vegetables and fruits, and we also get grains and pulses. So from where do we get grains and pulses? Plants, animals, water. Which one is correct? Yes, plants. We get grains and pulses from plants. Number 9. What will you call people who do not eat meat products? Vegetarians, non-vegetarians, animals. Children, do you know some people eat only milk products, grains, fruits and vegetables. They do not eat meat products. They are called, yes, vegetarians. People who do not eat meat products are vegetarians. The correct answer is vegetarians. Number 10. What is the first meal of the day known as? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. We have 3 meals in a day. Morning, breakfast, afternoon, lunch, and evening, dinner. So, what is the first meal of the day? Yes, it is breakfast. Okay, children. Now, we will see fill in the blanks. Choose the correct word from the bracket. Number 1. Our body needs dash to grow and stay healthy. Our body needs dash to grow and stay healthy. Options are food, medicine. Tell me which one is the correct answer. Yes, it is food. We need food to grow and stay healthy. Okay, children. Now, number 2. Rice and wheat are dash. Options are pulses, grains. We get rice and wheat from plants. And rice and wheat are grains. Rice and wheat are grains. Correct answer is grains. To stay dash, we should eat food. To stay dash, we should eat food. Healthy या weak? What do you want? Yes, you want to be healthy. So, to stay healthy, we should eat food. So, the correct answer is healthy. Number 4. We get meat from dash. We get food from animals and plants. Plant products are vegetables, fruits, grains and pulses. So, we get meat from animals. We get meat from animals. Number 5. Potatoes, chilies and tomatoes grow on dash. Potatoes, chilies and tomatoes are vegetables. All vegetables grow on plants. So, the correct answer is plants. Number 6. Food that we get from animals are called animal products or plant products. We get food from animals and plants. We get different types of food from animals and plants. And the food we get from animals are called, yes, animal products. So, the correct answer is animal products. Okay, children. Now, we will do true or false. Select correct option from the bracket. Okay, children. Number 1. Food makes us healthy and strong. Teacher told you our body needs food to grow and stay healthy. So, this sentence is correct or not? Is it correct? Yes. Food makes us healthy and strong. It is correct. So, we will put a tick to true. Okay. This sentence is true. Number 2. Apples, mangoes and oranges are vegetables. Is it correct? No? Then apples, mangoes and oranges are? Yes, it is. They are fruits. So this sentence is correct? No. So it is false. Apples, mangoes and oranges are vegetables. This sentence is not correct. So it is false. We must eat different kinds of food. True or false? Is it correct? We must eat different kinds of food. We must eat balanced diet. That means you have to eat different kinds of food. So this sentence is correct. This sentence is true. Next, cow gives us cheese. Cow gives us cheese. True or false? Is it correct? We get cheese from cow. No, then from where? From milk. Okay, correct. Cow gives us milk. From the milk we get cheese. So this sentence is not correct. It is not true. It is false. Cow gives us cheese. It's a false sentence. Number 5. We must eat breakfast, lunch and dinner every day. We must eat breakfast, lunch and dinner every day. Correct? Is this sentence is correct? Yes. We eat breakfast, lunch and dinner every day. So this sentence is correct. So put a tick here. True. Number 6. We get food only from animals. Is it correct? No. Then what is correct? We get food from animals and plants. We get food from animals and plants. Here the sentence is we get food only from animals. This sentence is not correct. So it is not true. It is false. Okay children, we have finished with our exercise. Practice all these at home. Children, now for correct answer, teacher put a tick. But in your exam, you have to click the correct answer. Okay children, bye. See you.